Good morning, everyone. I feel like I haven't done a vlog in so long. So I wanted to vlog today. I just woke up, which is why I still look kind of sleepy. I'm gonna bring you guys with me on my morning routine.
I'm thinking about what I need so I can feel. Do you know what I need so I can be okay?
So this is the green juice I drink almost every morning. So it's spinach, mango chunks, and orange juice. And the mango and the orange juice really help cancel out the taste of the spinach, so you can't taste it. But I really enjoy it. I feel so much better in the mornings ever since I started drinking this every morning. I started drinking these because I realized I really wasn't getting a lot of vegetables in my day. So this is an easy way just for me to get a serving of vegetables just in my day, just to start off with. Are you ready for your toothbrush? So these are the toothbrushes that I give her. I don't like to brush her teeth. I like to give her one of these dental treats. I've found that these are cheaper and you can get more for the price of the dollar than getting like the greenies. And last time I took her to the vet wanted to know what I gave her because he said her teeth were really great, and this is what I give her. You want it? You want it? Yeah. So I normally don't eat breakfast a lot. I tend to just have a juice, and that kind of is the end of it. But today I'm kind of feeling like a little bit of the noms, and I do want to go work out, and I don't want to do that on an empty stomach, like if I'm really hungry. So I'm gonna eat something really small, let it digest, and then go to the gym. I'm gonna have a little yogurt parfait. So I love this yogurt. It's actually not that great for you. So this is the Greek Gods Greek yogurt and honey vanilla. It's so dang good, but it's 200 calories and it actually has 23 grams of sugar. And I'm aware that it's not that great for you, and I'm going to eat it anyways. And on top, I'm gonna just put some granola. I usually just buy whatever's on sale, which this week was the oats and honey granola clusters. Really like this, probably gonna buy again. It has whole grain oats with honey, maple syrup, cinnamon, and cardamom. I think that's how you say that. The yogurt is 7 grams of protein and the granola is 3 grams of protein. So 10 grams of protein right here in this parfait. Also 23 grams of sugar though. All right, so while my food is digesting, I am going to be working on some adult things, hashtag bills. So pretty much I just got paid, and every single time I get paid, I always go through and allocate my money to this specific areas that I either like need them to be, so like bills, or like want them to be, so like spending money. So yeah, I'm one of those people that not a single cent leaves my bank account without me knowing it. I work hard for my money, and therefore I don't want anybody touching my money without my consent. So I never set up like automatic drafts for bills and things like that. Like I go through and I personally do them all myself. That way if there's like an upcharge or if they're wanting to charge me more, I know exactly why, and I can annotate it. And this just, like, I don't know, makes me have more control over my money, and I prefer it that way. And yeah, and it's not gonna change unless I get married, and then we can talk about it. All right, I just finished paying my bills, and man, that electricity bill, like, Lord, they are not playing. It was like way more expensive than normal. I called my dad because I was freaking out, and I was like, Dad, what is up with my energy bill? He's like, it is the winter. I was like, can I just give them my right arm instead? So I know it's really silly to drink iced coffee in the winter months, but I just love it so much, and this is by far my current favorite blend. So while I drink my iced coffee, I'm going to be reading. I've been super into the Bridgerton books ever since the series came out. Pretty much, I watched the series on Netflix, loved it, and so I didn't realize that they were books. When I found out they were books, I got the first 5 in a set. I was very picky actually about the cover art of the ones that I got, because there's a bunch of different kinds, but I think that this one is like a really elegant look and goes along with the series. I'm about a quarter of the way through it, and so far I'm really into it. The chapters are kind of long. If you guys want me to let you know what I end up thinking about it, let me know in the comments below. Also, I probably will post my thoughts on Instagram, so be sure to follow me there. So these are the other Bridgerton books that came in the set. I don't exactly know the order of all of these, but as you can see, all of them have like a really beautiful cover art, which is something that I really appreciate. I know they say don't judge a book by its cover, but said book goes on my bookcase and I want it to look pleasing to the eye. If you are interested in getting this particular cover art, I believe that these were the ones that were released in the UK. The illustrator is this guy, and I got these on Amazon, but I also saw them on eBay as well. Is someone sleepy? Okay, so I just thought I would share as I'm getting ready. Welcome to my vanity. It is in no way, shape, or form ready for a tour, although I will be setting up a kitchen tour here very soon, so be excited for that. So I'm currently getting ready right now. If you guys don't know, which you probably don't, because I don't think I've really like talked about it much, I've been doing photography on the side. If you've been watching some of my other videos, I've been sharing some of my tips. But in doing photography, a lot of like my creative side has come out, and which is like amazing. Like I've really been enjoying it. I'm really excited because I really love like the whimsical, like very feminine, beautiful look. I've been really enjoying it. I've been really inspired by like lighting and fabric and movement, and I feel like if you guys look at my photography page, you'll see that. So I ordered a gown, and kind of, I'll show you guys the gown in a minute, but like something that I've been thinking about doing is actually letting people rent the gown, so like they can like book it, like when they book a photography session, if they don't know what to wear, they can rent my gown. So we'll see. I don't know, it's still an idea I'm toying with. I haven't committed to it yet, but we'll see. When I put the gown on my Instagram stories, a lot of people really liked it, which makes me feel like, okay, like if I put this up for rent, people would rent it. So we'll see. More to follow, but I'm getting ready for my photo shoot. I haven't taken photos of myself on my personal Instagram in a really long time, and so Trey and I tonight are gonna go take some photos of me, and then I'm actually gonna take some photos of him too, because he doesn't really have a lot of photos of himself. So we're gonna do that, and I'm just really excited. Today's just gonna be like a fun day. Okay, here's the dress. It is absolutely so puffy. Do you see this, guys? Oh my gosh, but beautiful, and I'm really excited. As you can see, it's sheer, so I'll be wearing a slip under it. We just finished taking photos. It was so cold. I literally could not bring my vlogging camera because my fingers were frozen. So we just finished. I also took pictures of Trey. You want to say hi, baby?
Hello.
So now we're trying to figure out like what we're gonna eat. Bringing him into the Asian market for the first time. What do you think about it?
It's pretty ethnic.
What intrigues you the most?
The freshness.
The freshness of the meat?
Yeah, 100%. 100%.
Y'all, he is so shook by the freshness and price at this H Mart. It's so funny. He's never been to an Asian store before. All right, so I made beef Burmese food tonight for Trey. It's my first time cooking Burmese food for Trey, so we'll see how he likes it. Tomatoes, garlic, shallots, and ginger with rice, and we have seaweed salad on the side. What do you think?
It's spot on, delicious.
Yeah?
Nothing but